wọ́n wá ṣojú wọn níbí lónìí. Àwọn méjèèjì náà ni alága gbogbo àwọn alága níjọba ìbílẹ̀ nípínlẹ̀ Èkó àti alága ààrẹ fún gbogbo alága ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ lórí mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin Nàìjíríà. Honorable Kọ́ládé Alábí, the executive chairman Bariga local government, àti Honorable Sheson Daine, the executive chairman Igbodo Bayoku LCDA. Ẹ máa fún ẹ ní àtẹ́wọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń bọ̀ lórí podium láti wá máa fi ìwé ìlọ́lẹ̀ lórúkọ Aṣíwájú Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹ máa bọ̀ báyìí. President of all chairmen in Nigeria, chairman of all chairmen in Lagos State. This is alága fún gbogbo alága lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àti ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nigeria. Honorable Kọ́ládé Alábí, executive chairman Bariga local government, àti my own landlord chairman, because he's the chairman of where I stay in Ikorodu, the executive chairman Igbodo Bayoku LCDA, Honorable Sheson Daine, God bless you. They are here to represent Akobi, Omolodode, Jagabambogo, Aṣíwájú Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the flag bearer, the presidential candidate of All Progressives Congress. Ẹ máa fún mi ní àtẹ́wọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ lọ ṣe ìwé ààrẹ ọ̀nà kakanfò in history lórúkọ bàbá wa Bola Ahmed Tinubu àti lórúkọ local government council wọn.
Yeah, the secret, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, let me hand over the microphone to you. No more foul. No more foul. We are here to launch this aare onakankafo in Yoruba history in the name of Aṣíwájú Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Iba of Nigeria. We are launching this in his name in the sum of 5 million naira. In the same vein, as the representative of all the council chairmen in Lagos State, and by extension, the president of Association of Local Government of Nigeria. And let me say this, that the position of annual president for 20 years, it has included Yoruba land. And what we are celebrating today is Yoruba history and Yoruba culture. Let me say this, that I'm the first person in Southwest to occupy the position of annual president in 20 years. We don't know when it will turn out to Yoruba land. It is in the light of this that I will be launching this book in the name of all the council chairmen in Lagos and all the council chairmen in Nigeria in equal sum of 5 million naira. And thank you.